Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove background in Fotor. Fotor is a versatile photo editing and design app for the iPhone, Android and desktop that lets users edit images, create collages and design graphics, and one of its standout features is the AI-powered background remover, which allows you to quickly isolate your subject without complicated tools like Photoshop. So first you need to open to your Fotor app, tap on the indent there and select one of the photo. You can also tap on the magic eraser here and simply erase the part that you want to remove the background in the photo for, or you can simply slide a bit until you find to this background. Tap on the background and after that tap on the bottom left of that small icon and select to this confirm to switch to the BG remover, and that is it. This is how you can remove the background in the photo here, and after that you can save it anytime and ensure your subject is well lit and clearly separated from the background for the best AI results. And using photo removing and replacing backgrounds becomes simple and fast, making it easy to create polished visual without complex software. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.